Mmm. Mmm. Wow. Yung anghang niya guys, ang sarap. Hi guys, ayan, ito ang ating lulutuin ngayon. Mag-marinate tayo ng chicken. Lagyan natin ng grated garlic, grated ginger, black pepper, garlic powder, soy sauce, salt. Mix lang natin yan guys. Then potato starch. Kung meron kayong cornstarch, pwede rin. Yan, haluin lang natin hanggang mag-mix. Set aside natin to guys. Gawa tayo ng sauce guys. Grated garlic and ginger. Lalagyan natin ng red chili paste. Ayan, gochujang. Yes, Korean fried chicken ang lulutuin natin. Actually, request to ng aking anak guys. Korean fried chicken. Yangnyeom. Soy sauce. I-mix lang natin yan guys. Honey. Mirin, sesame oil. Ayan. Mix lang natin hanggang lumapot. Set aside lang natin. I-fry na natin yung chicken. Then, sa kabila naman. Okay na tong chicken, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Pangalawang salang ko na, guys. Luto na rin tong second batch guys. Ayan. Ayan. Then i-second fry natin yung first batch. Ayan. Para mas malutong. Ayan, magluto tayo ng Korean fried chicken. Masarap to guys, malutong. Okay na yung first batch. Yung second batch naman ang ating ipa-fry ng second. Ganito din ba kayo guys? Double fry ang ginagawa nyo para mas malutong? Wow! Ayan, okay na tong ating fried chicken. Then, lagay natin sa ating chicken yung sauce. Ayan. Ipahid natin, guys. Nalagyan na natin ng sauce. Ayan, budburan naman natin ng sesame seeds. Wow, sarap. Tikman natin. Ayan na, guys, ang finished product ng ating Korean fried chicken. Ang sarap. Tikman natin. Kain po tayo. Wow, malutong. Ay, ang sarap guys. Ang sarap pala to. Korean fried chicken. Ang sarap ng sauce. Maanghang na matamis. Wow. Yung anghang niya guys, ang sarap. Kaya pala ni-request ng anak ko. Buti na lang may white tea. First time ko magluto nito. Ang sarap guys. Yummy. Gawin nyo to guys, ang sarap. Ang sarap naman to. Yangnyeom Korean fried chicken. So yummy. Ayan, meron naman tayong bagong natutunan na menu guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, follow, and share.